Skope is proud to present your new glass door chiller, combining the very latest in ActiveCore technology with a modern frameless aesthetic. Our revolutionary refrigeration technology took a 35-strong design team over 18 months to develop. The new future-proofed ActiveCore system now boasts outstanding energy efficiency and new features. The new controller with manual light switch and pre-programmed features. The LED side strip and frameless glass door with aluminium trim. Other new features include our ergonomically designed door handles, easily adjustable shelf clips, and a new hinge design for easy door adjustment and a longer life. The new ActiveCore system has been designed to deliver chilled air evenly and effectively around your product for consistent cooling throughout the cabinet. The noise quality has been vastly improved for noise-sensitive environments.
You'll also benefit from significantly improved energy, using 55% less energy when compared to our biggest selling TME model, equating to $616 in annual savings.
The ActiveCore refrigeration system is interchangeable, making it easy for your service technician to service and maintain. This, in turn, minimizes any downtime and disruption to your business. Your new Skope ActiveCore glass chiller has been designed for you with greater energy efficiency, serviceability, and the future in mind. Skope, bringing the latest refrigeration technology and design.
For a rapid response to your catering equipment needs, call Sydney Commercial Kitchens on 1300 88 1119 and talk to our trained sales specialists. Or, for more information on this product, click the green button in the video or the link below for mobiles.